Okay, so in the last video you saw the little Gravely tractor running, and you're probably wondering why I'm cleaning the carburetor now. I actually done a quick clean in the last video that you didn't see before I started the tractor, but it wasn't running right, so I'm tearing it down to clean it up really good and see if it'll run better. Plus, as you'll see in a minute, the hose has a hole in it and it was leaking gas pretty bad, so. This little screw right here is really giving me fits, so I ended up having to put an impact on it, but I did get the screw out. There's a hole in the gas line. I can cut it off, make it work. Got the carburetor disassembled. It's a cast iron carburetor, so I'm gonna drop it in some vinegar, leave it for a day or so, and see if it'll clean all the rust off of it. Got the gas tank off. We'll take a look at that while I'm waiting on the carburetor to soak in the vinegar. It's got a big hole. It's like somebody tried to patch it. Let's cut this whole thing out and weld a new piece in here. So I cut the side of the gas tank that was busted out, and you can really see down in there now. That is some really nasty stuff in there. Okay, it's been a few hours since we put the carburetor in the vinegar. I'll take the carburetor out, and yeah, it's a lot cleaner than it was. White vinegar works really good for taking off rust and dirt, oil, junk like that off of steel. Okay, so we got the carburetor cleaned up, and these are the old parts. I ordered a rebuild kit. Unfortunately, the kit I ordered is not an exact match. It's pretty similar, but it's not exact, so I'm going to replace stuff that looks worn, like this thing here. I like to never get that out. You can see it's boogered up, ate up right there on the edge. And anyway, I'm just gonna use what I can out of the rebuild kit and see what happens.